Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest gadgets and electronics on the market. Today, we have something truly exceptional for all you home theater enthusiasts out there. It's time to elevate your audio experience with the best wall-mounted speakers for home theater, the Rockville RockSlim Black Home Theater Speakers. These sleek and stylish speakers are designed to deliver premium audio quality while seamlessly blending into your living space. Let's dive into what makes these speakers a standout choice for your home entertainment setup. First off, let's talk power. With 240 watts of peak power handling per pair, these speakers pack a punch that will fill your room with immersive sound. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or just enjoying your favorite music, the RockSlim Black speakers deliver crisp highs, clear mids, and satisfying bass. But it's not just about power, these speakers are engineered for convenience as well. The slim profile and easy wall mount brackets make installation a breeze. Plus, the molded speaker wire groove and recessed spring-loaded terminals ensure a clean and tidy setup with no messy wires cluttering your space. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers who've experienced the Rockville RockSlim speakers firsthand. Customers rave about the impressive sound quality and sleek design of these speakers. From bedrooms to living rooms, these speakers blend seamlessly into any environment while delivering an exceptional audio experience. So, there you have it, the Rockville RockSlim Black Home Theater Speakers, the best wall-mounted speakers for home theater on the market. With their powerful performance, easy installation, and stylish design, these speakers are sure to take your entertainment setup to the next level. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.